press. In other words, the cylinder will stroke down against the part to press this spring and fire the internal hammer that's held inside to develop the high power needed to produce your mark. There you go. Any questions? Give Columbia Marking Tools a call. We're more than happy to help you with that. In another short video, we will actually show you your valve pack, which we've arranged with 4 foot of hose on it so that it make it easy for you to hook up and run. Here we are going to show you your unit just prior to putting it in a box and shipping. This shows you right from the get-go of the valve pack. Right here where you see the red plug is where you'll place your in-feed air line. 1/2-inch air line. This device right here is your safety lockout. You can put a padlock through there to hold it off. To turn it on, you simply push this lever up. To shut it off would be on the other side to push it off. From here, you will see your pressure regulator and your air inline filter. Up here we have your lubricator, where you can turn this knob counterclockwise to add drops of oil, about 1 drop every 10 cycles. And here's where you fill the oil. Next we have the valve. This is the control valve, where you give the electrical signal to this connector to fire the valve. Automatically it will return the marker by shutting off the electricity, and this air timer with the screwdriver slot can be adjusted so that the marker, the moment it is done marking, it should return. All the marking should take place in less than 1 second. Here is your gauge. It will be shipped in a box so it does not get broken. The gauge simply, when you get it, you need to screw it into the gauge port, and that will give you the air pressure that you can set it at. Our test setting was at 60 psi for your test. There's also included 4 foot of air hose, already pre-done with fittings into the valve, and each fitting has 2 different sizes. You see the small size goes to the return port right on here like so. And this is the larger fitting that goes onto the advanced port, and you'll just screw this on also. Once the air lines are screwed on and tightened up so they don't leak, hard to do with one hand. And then we're going to attach your holder with your stamps in there. Simply there is a notch, which you can see right here in the rod. And we line that up with this screw right here, which holds a ball bearing onto the shaft. And then we would simply tighten it up so that it would be tight under the shaft. There's your fixture, your extra set of stamps, and your parts. These places here, 4 mounting holes on the marker are all that's required. To mount the marker with 4 bolts, hook the 2 air lines, give a signal to the valve, adjust the timer so that after it goes forward, it immediately returns. And of course, adding the air line in. If you have any further questions, don't hesitate to call Columbia Marking Tools.